Dear students, in this class, we are going to learn about some important features of the Indian cattle leech. The scientific name of Indian cattle leech is Hirudinaria granulosa. Now we can see the taxonomic position of Hirudinaria granulosa. Hirudinaria granulosa belongs to phylum Annelida. Annelids are metamerically segmented worms with well-developed organ system. Hirudinaria granulosa belongs to class Hirudinae. Class Hirudinae includes animals which possess locomotive and adhesive sucker. Hirudinaria granulosa belongs to order Gnathobdellida. Order Gnathobdellida includes the aquatic or terrestrial, carnivorous, parasitic, or free-living worms in which pharynx is present. Indian cattle leech belongs to genus Hirudinaria and species Granulosa. So the scientific name of Indian cattle leech is Hirudinaria granulosa. Hirudinaria granulosa is found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. It lives in freshwater ponds, lakes, swamps, and slow streams. Leeches are ectoparasitic. Ectoparasitic means a parasite that lives on or in the skin but not within the body of host. They feed on the blood of fishes, frogs, cattle, and human. It is sanguivorous or blood-sucking in nature. Locomotion in leech. Locomotion in leech takes place by 1. Looping or crawling movement and swimming movement. Looping or crawling movement. This type of movement is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. The two suckers serve for attachment during movement on a substratum. Swimming movement. Leeches swim very actively and perform undulating movements in water. Thank you, students. We can meet in the next class with another topic.